Hello, my family and friends. Today we're going to make puto. Puto is one of the Filipino desserts where we can use that for coffee in the morning or snacks. So I will show it to you so you will understand what I'm talking about. I'm sure the Filipinos, my family and friends, will understand what I'm talking about. And those who are not subscribed in my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment over here, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My family and friends, please follow the steps. Here you go. We have different colors. We have green, get yellow, we have white, we have pink, and then we'll have another color. We just put like 4 drops of food coloring and then mix it well. Here's the steamer. Put in the steamer and then cover it. Cook after you put in the steamer, covered it, and then leave it there for 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, let it cool for like 3 to 5 minutes.